what's up everyone? I'm Quay, and this is my boy Josh.
And we are Pray for Traction.
This is Project Restore Life.
Episode 5.
So as you can notice, we're wearing some Pro Torque shirts. Our friends over at Pro Torque hooked us up with these shirts, even though...
They, if you guys don't know, they sell only torque converters, and if we were going to go with an automatic transmission, we would have definitely bought from them.
And they still hooked us up with some shirts, even though we're going with a TR6060. So that really says what type of company they are, and all of our future automatic stuff, definitely going with Pro Torque. So the car, we left off with needing to do a few more things before we get the engine in here. So what we need to do now is we need to get that carpet inside the car moved back so that we can access the inside of the trans tunnel area, and we're going to make room for our brackets and stuff. So let's get into it. So we're gonna have to get these seats out. Oh yeah, this was our generic shield when we were down there grinding and didn't want to throw sparks through that big hole there.
So what we were going to do is we were going to pull the entire carpet back to access the spots where we were going to drill through the trans tunnel, but there was these two rivets that were right there and right there, and we took those out, and it frees up a lot of open space, and that'll be plenty of room for us to work with.
Alright guys, so we've got the bracket inside the transmission tunnel, and as far as where we are with the build at the moment, we're going to go ahead and uncage the beast. So it's out back, let's go have a look. Okay, so this beautiful car unfortunately came from the factory with 20 horsepower. So that's why we had to do this. Take the 20 horsepower out.
Yeah.
So what do we put in its place?
This beautiful LS3 right here.
That's it. Can't go wrong with a Chevrolet. Wear a bow tie to a Ford funeral. No, just playing. A lot of our fans are Ford guys too, so it's all just fun and banter. But we finally got the engine in here, and we're getting that much closer. So stick with us. Thanks for watching Project Restore Life. I'm Quay. It's my boy Josh.
Peace out.
Peace.
Hey, what's going on, guys? Right now we're just about to start this wiring. And we have the whole other setup right here.
Wiring is a pain in the butt that no one really wants to do, but unfortunately it's got to get done.
Yeah.
So let's get started. Alright, so doing the wiring, found out something. We need this plug to plug into the back side of the firewall over there. But once we wire this thing, it's not going to reach. So we're going to have to extend some wires. Thankfully, a couple of these boxes got the rest of the wiring harness out of the Camaro that we got our swap from. So we will Frankenstein one of those to extend these wires. Probably run them up under the fuel rail to get them out of the way, hide them a little bit. But for now, I need to run to the store. So we'll be right back. Alright, so we got back from the store. As mentioned, we needed to run these wires underneath the fuel rail cover. That way it can come out the back and we can put everything into this plug and get it up and out of the way, since it doesn't reach going this way. So we went to the store, got a little extra wire loom, we got some heat shrink, some solder, and some extra needle nose. But in one of these boxes, we've got all of the wiring that came out of that swap Camaro that we're going to Frankenstein to extend these out. So let's see what we can find. Nope, not at that one. Wow. Would you look at that?
Plenty of wire.
Yes. It's gonna get all diced up. Yeah, that should do just fine. Alright, so we're going to cut this up, get the wires extending, and we'll show that to you. Alright guys, so we're getting into this wiring and it's still kicking our behind, but the reason that we're having to redo all of this, it's not going to reach once we get it inside the car.
Yeah, this is only limited to about this far.
So as you can see, we're extending the wires. We're doing it, as professional as can, heat shrink, solder, all that good stuff. That way we'll be able to get into the car and it's going to plug in. So we're going to hop back to it.
Hey, what's going on, guys? As of now, we just got all these wires extended. Plenty of length for us to play with. And right now, we just got the Tilton master cylinder in there. And we're going to see what we could do to tighten it down in there.
We had to switch to the 76 series. We had the 75, but due to the mounting kit that we're using, we had to switch to the 76.
Alright, so we just got done tightening it down. And that's solid.
The classic, that's not going anywhere.
Yeah.
So Tilton 76 master cylinder's in, tightened down, got the blue Loctite on there. And now we need to tackle this wiring again. But honestly, I think we're probably running a little long on time at this time.
Yeah.
So this will conclude episode 5 of Project Restore Life. And as usual, this is Pray for Traction. We appreciate you guys watching.
Peace out, guys.
Peace. Hey, what's up, everyone? So as you can tell, some time has passed since I made the last video. So a lot of things have happened since then. I last uploaded a video that I had left my job at the dealership, went into business for myself, and opened up my own independent car dealership. So all of my money has went solely to that, being out of work, investing, and opening a business. All the finances that's required for that, I've pretty much ran myself dry. So I haven't had anything extra to spend on the build. Along with that, my son Josh, who, as you can see, is not here with me, he's school full-time, he's at work full-time as well, so he doesn't have a lot of time to commit to the build like before. However, I'm not going to stop. So at the moment where I'm at is I've almost got the wiring harness finally finished up, and then we're going to start putting the engine together, and this thing's going to get built. So I appreciate all of you guys sticking with me. I just wanted to give you an update. So this is Quay from Pray for Traction, and we love you and be blessed.